Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. This might seem like a pretty straightforward, simple tip, but it's something we see done all the time. As you get ready to do your cleanups out in your landscape beds, be mindful of the order in which you do your stuff. What I mean by that is if you go through and you weed your beds and you replace your pine straw with mulch, and then next month you decide to trim your shrubs, you've actually kind of done yourself, created more work for yourself. So be careful in the order you do your things in. Get all of your shrubs trimmed and get all of your trash producing work done first. That way whenever you go in and you have to weed the beds or change out the mulch or the pine straw or whatever, like all the shrub clippings and the trimmings and all that, you're able to get them out. The last thing you want to do is put down new mulch and then next month trim your shrubs and have all those clippings down, and now you're having to be careful with your blowing and clean up and everything like that. Just takes longer, requires undue work. So anyway, just a mindful tip, be careful of the order you do your stuff in. Y'all have a good day.